This is a 2011 Toyota Venza. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, big 19-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a collapsible steering column, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
City World Toyota is conveniently located at 3333 Boston Road in Bronx, New York. We are proud to be one of the premier dealerships in the area for new and certified Toyota cars, trucks, and SUVs. From the moment you walk into our showroom, you will know our commitment to customer service is second to none. Visit our website at cityworldtoyota.com.